Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you exactly how to change the font on your WordPress site. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to refresh your website's look, we'll cover everything step by step, so let's dive right in. First things first, log into your WordPress account. Go to your website's admin area by typing in /wp admin after your website URL and enter your login credentials. Once you're in, look at the sidebar on the left and find the Appearance tab. Click on it. Now, under Appearance, click Customize. This takes you to WordPress's customization area where you can adjust your site's look. Next, look for the Fonts option. Here you'll find a range of fonts that you can choose from. Pick a font that suits your website style. Once you're happy with your choice, go ahead and click Save and Publish. If your theme supports the WordPress site editor, you can also change fonts this way. Open the site editor, go to the Styles tab, and select Typography to adjust the font. Or if you're comfortable with code, you can customize the theme's CSS file. Go to Editor under the Appearance tab, scroll to the CSS style sheet, and adjust font styles directly. Another great way to change fonts is by using plugins. Plugins like Easy Google Fonts or Fonts plugin let you add custom fonts with just a few clicks. Lastly, if you want visitors to have control over font size, try the Zeno Font Resizer plugin. This plugin lets users resize the font themselves using a widget on your site. And that's it. You now know several ways to change the font on your WordPress site. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more WordPress tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.